Hi there, this is Kajurno, and this is the quick unboxing of the Apple Folio case for the iPad 4th generation 12.9 inch, and this is the era of pandemic. So I have my protection, I have my tool here, so let's be careful and open this package. You have to be very careful now, things have changed. Suppose put this aside and see what's in the box. Oh, beautiful. Put this away. Beautiful wrapper. So let's see what it looks like. Beautiful box. It can be put this way and this way to do FaceTime call, sleep-wake, this position to write or draw. Okay. What the... Not necessary. It opens like that. The color is beautiful. It's surf blue. Okay. And you see the cutout here for the new camera bump on the 4th generation iPad 12.9 inch. And this is the surf blue. Very beautiful. Sleep wake, like I said. This interior that is perfect to protect your iPad. Again, you see it's very light. I will be receiving the iPad in 2 days, hope. So there you go. That was the unboxing in the pandemic era of coronavirus. Thank you for listening and be safe. Bye-bye.